Hey guys, my name is Damien Black and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a full-time income online with high-ticket affiliate marketing and free traffic. Now this video is very special because I'm going to show you how to promote one link and make money with 4 different income streams. I'm going to show you a very powerful system, so stick with me so you don't miss out on any important information. Now, on screen are my results for the past 14-20 days since I've been promoting this one link I'm about to show you. Now my results aren't typical. This takes a lot of hard work and sending lots of traffic to this link, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's hop into my Funnelytics and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, okay? So I've built this funnel. So this is an overview what it looks like and how it works. This is traffic and this is the funnel and these are the income streams, right? So to make money online, to make high ticket sales online, we need a high converting funnel. We will be driving traffic from Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Okay, these are the most popular ones. I use YouTube, Instagram and Facebook myself, and we'll be driving traffic to the opt-in page. Okay, don't worry about this process. I'm gonna show you an awesome system that has everything here built in, so you don't have to do any of this. All you have to do is send traffic to this one link. Okay, so we're gonna be sending traffic to the opt-in page. Now the opt-in page works for collecting emails, nothing more. It's a simple, high converting opt-in page that collects emails. Then once our lead puts their email inside the opt-in form and clicks to the next step, they're gonna be redirected to the sales video. Okay, this is a pre-sales video that's gonna warm up our lead. So it's probably gonna be a video there or some text, okay? Whatever. It's just a simple sales video that's gonna warm up our lead. Now, once they click to the next step, they're gonna be redirected again to the sales page. And now this is the page where they're gonna purchase the product, okay? They're gonna fill out their information, they're gonna order, and they're gonna purchase the product. Now, at the beginning of the funnel, at the opt-in page, we collected an email. And with that email, we're gonna be following up with our leads, okay? Because not everybody is gonna purchase when they see something for the first time. That's why we use follow-ups. Don't worry, this amazing system that I'm about to show you has it all. We don't have to do any of this. It follows up for us. Now, once we have the opt-in, the sales video, the sales page, the order page, now our lead is inside the funnel. Now they have purchased the product and now they are inside the funnel, and the funnel contains 3 more income streams, okay? So income stream number 1 was the actual funnel. Now income stream number 2 is a high ticket offer, which we need to make a full-time income online. And this income stream number 2 high ticket offer pays 25 to 2,100% commissions, okay? So whatever you earn, that's exactly how much you receive. Income stream number 3 is a follow-up service. It's $100, again 100% yours. And income stream number 4 is traffic, which you can also use to promote your opt-in page. So if you don't want to build up your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, you don't want to use the slow process, you can simply purchase clicks from income stream number 4, which is traffic authority. You can purchase 200 highly targeted internet clicks that are you can send them right to your opt-in page, okay? And also you can earn 40% from everybody who purchases under you, so $80 to $3,000. Now let me show you the system now, okay? So this is the multiple income funnel back office. Now this is the system I've been using to generate results you can see here from 4 different income streams. So income stream number 1 is the actual funnel. Income stream number 2 is easy one up. Let's see. And it's super easy to set up, instructions, everything. Okay, step 1, watch the video, join the Facebook group. It's an amazing Facebook group, guys. There's lots of help, support. You're gonna see other members posting the results. It's just amazing. Okay, so step one is to watch this video first, right? Join the Facebook group. Step number 2 is to set up each income stream, right? So as you can see here, I have the multiple income funnel purchased. I purchased the funnel, and now I can promote the entire funnel with these 4 income streams. Now, so income stream number 1 is the multiple income funnel. Income stream number 2 is Easy One Up with the $25 to $2,000 commissions. Then it's TextBot and Traffic Authority. Then step 3, you're gonna set up your wallet, and you're good to go. All you need to do is go to links right up here, click links, and here is a lead capture page. Now this one link will promote your entire funnel, and you will earn on 4 different income streams, right? So let's just look at the funnel. This is the opt-in page, right? Whoever comes to this page, whoever you refer to this page, this is the opt-in page. This is the first step of a funnel, right? They're gonna click here. They're gonna opt in their name, their email. They're gonna be redirected to the sales video, to the sales page. They're gonna order, right? And multiple income funnel costs $50 per month, right? And you get the full page. They follow up for you. They do everything for you. Now, the reality, guys, is nothing online is free. Starting a business is not free. If somebody tells you that you can make $10,000 per month for free, they're lying, okay? It's bullshit, because everything costs money. Starting a restaurant costs money. Starting a clothing brand costs money. Everything costs money, okay? Even college costs money. So if somebody tells you that you can make $10,000 per month for free, it's bullshit, okay? Because, okay, maybe if you build your YouTube channel from scratch and get 1 million views per month, yeah, maybe you're making money for free, but how long will that take, guys? How long? So, multiple income funnel is just $50 per month. It's just $50 per month, right? And you get the entire funnel. You get to promote 4 income streams, and they also follow up for you. Now, your only job is to send traffic to the opt-in page. Your only job is to send clicks to this page, okay? To this page. That's all you have to do, and you have to do it consistently. So you're either gonna spend all your time promoting the opt-in page with TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Yeah, I use all of these, guys. I use YouTube. I promote offers on YouTube. It works great for me. I also use Facebook. Facebook groups are very powerful. I network a lot with a lot of people. I use Facebook groups, Facebook pages, just text a lot of people, give value for free. You know, people are going to be interested in what you're doing, okay? But make sure not to spam your link everywhere on Facebook, YouTube. That's not gonna work, guys. That's bullshit. You can't just spam your link everywhere. You have to give some value. You have to give something in return. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, free traffic sources, they work perfectly, okay? They do, but you have to build them up from scratch. Now, the perfect part about multiple income funnel is income stream number 4, which is traffic. Now, if you want to promote this funnel, all you have to do is click traffic up here, sign up to Traffic Authority, and you're gonna have to purchase clicks to the opt-in page, okay? So, option number 1 is slowly grow your social media accounts and get traffic like this consistently, or option number 2 is to purchase traffic and send it to your opt-in page. It's up to you. I don't know what your budget is. I mean, I do both. I also purchase traffic and I also send free traffic. Both of them work great for me. Multiple income funnel follows up via email for everyone who signs up, so you don't have to do any email marketing, you don't have to do any selling, you don't have to do any telling. Everything is automated. All you have to do is focus on getting traffic. Focus on traffic. That's all you have to do. Traffic, okay? So That's why I love this funnel. It's very, very powerful, right? So again, now guys, I would love to show you my Easy1Up dashboard, but the creator of Easy1Up banned everybody from showing their results. So you'll just have to take my word that this is actually what I made in the last 30 days. But I promised you that if you put in the work, if you set everything up, okay, and if you start sending traffic consistently, whether it's for free, like I showed you, or it's from income stream number 4, purchasing it directly, it's up to you, it's up to your budget. I don't know how you're doing, but either way, it works. Both of these methods work, but the system converts like crazy. I mean, really, you gotta believe me. There's lots of people, even in the Facebook group, when you go to step 1, just purchase the funnel, join the Facebook group, and you'll see how many people are posting testimonials. Crazy numbers, guys. I'm talking $10,000 monthly, 20 grand. Some people are making 20 grand per month. Okay, so it's really crazy. Okay guys, so make sure to hit that first link in the description if you want to learn more about the multiple income funnel. Check out the videos inside. I mean, follow the steps, set up your income streams, and start promoting it, and you'll see what all the buzz is about. You will make money, I promise you, if you send clicks consistently. All right. So in the near future, I'm going to be posting more strategies on how to promote the funnel. You know, high ticket affiliate marketing, traffic marketing. That's what my channel is all about. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like this video, comment below what you think, and if you have any questions about whatever, make sure to hit me up with my on my email or Facebook me, message me, okay, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.